Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel General 8005 DC locomotive that I got, I don't know, 10 days ago, something like that. Anyway, it was DC only, installed a full-wave bridge rectifier in it so I can run it on AC. But when I got it, it was missing the headlight. It was also missing one of the valve stems. That's what this part is called right here. And this actually moves with the push rod. So anyway, I went online and found one on eBay for $1.99. So I went ahead and ordered it and just got it installed. So I still have to replace the headlight. That's next. I found one for $6, so now it's just a matter of getting it and installing it. But this locomotive is running just absolutely splendidly, as you can see. That's pulling 10 cars. That's 50% power. So running on AC just absolutely perfectly. Now in most cases I would not have spent the money to replace that. But considering it was $1.99, I figured why not. So it's virtually complete. The only thing I have left to actually replace is the headlight itself. Like I said, these two DC locomotives, I may go ahead and actually put a grain of wheat bulb in them to have a headlight. There's not a working headlight in either one. They weren't equipped with a light. These things are a lot of fun to run. They were inexpensive. They're easy to convert to AC. They look nice. So anyway, just a quick follow-up on that. Found that part for $1.99. I figured, what the heck? Go ahead and replace it since it was missing. But it's just a little plastic rod that attaches directly to the front of the push rod mount, as you see. Like I said, the one on this side was missing when I bought it. So for $1.99, I figured I'd go ahead and replace it. I found the headlight, $6, so I'll replace that next. And in the meantime, I'm just having a good time running these things. They're really nice locomotives. They are nice and smooth. You can run them really, really slow. They have plenty of pulling power. They have plenty of power, period. That's 50% power pulling 10 cars. So a lot of fun to do this. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up on that rod. $1.99 to replace it, and it wasn't a necessary part, but I figured since it was $1.99, I'd go ahead and purchase one, put it back on the locomotive since it was missing. So just a quick follow-up. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.